Well, in the first few minutes, I was petrified and angry and upset, no prior notice. And I had to transition from that to asking myself some really hard internal questions. Things like, had I lost any skill sets? Had my value in the marketplace diminished? And the real burning question that kept rising above all of them is, what am I going to do next? Well, since quitting was not an option, I had a family, a mortgage, and car payments and bills just like every other corporate executive out there. I had to move forward. Unfortunately, I was in one of the worst economic climates that the United States has seen since the Great Depression. So my thought was, the same hammer that shatters a glass forges a steel, and I was going to become steel through this process. Well, I believe that manufacturing started taking the path of outsourcing. I found myself in that same process, and in my corporate management experience, we were constantly looking for ways to reduce cost, and one of the viable options was to outsource jobs and services outside the United States, outside of North American manufacturing. I think it's one of the single greatest downfalls of American job loss that we've ever experienced, to outsource our products and our services and the great skill sets and labor base that we have here in the U.S. All of those people that are out of work now, it's devastating to a lot of families, and we need to do something about it. We have the capacity to bring jobs back to North America for U.S. workers. When we outsource, there may be some savings on labor, but one of the things that is pretty evident is also the lack of quality and the lack of the depth of experience that North American workers offer to us. Yes, we had a concept, and one of the things that we wanted to change the course of, we wanted to develop this in North America, the concept and the idea. We wanted to design it in North America. We wanted to engage top talent in North America, and that's exactly what we did. And the end result of this was bringing a product to market built in North America with North American materials by North Americans for a global market. Well, rock and roll takes on a whole new meaning, because that's the name of the process of the manufacturing equipment that we use in rotational molding. It's a rock and roll machine, and that kind of describes our company. We're rocking and rolling. We're creating brand new cutting edge products, literally the largest products of their type in the world. And to do that, we had to build molds that are the largest molds in the world of their type, and that also caused us to look for the largest equipment and machinery of its type in the world. Well, there's some real barriers to entry. First of all, it's never been done before. So somebody had to be the pioneer. That's us. And the first thing that we researched and discovered was the largest machine of its type in North America. And we're able to craft a partnership plan with the owner of that business so that we could then begin to design the largest molds that would run on the largest equipment in North America. So they're the largest molds of their type in the world, and they're producing parts that have never been seen in the industry before. The size and the scope and the completion of this product line is setting new records. You might think that, but we designed so much into this product other than just a commercial boat dock system. We created a modular design. We designed it to ship exactly on the equipment that's available in shipping containers and also on flatbed semi-trailers. And so we designed all of the intricate parts of these components to ship less costly, install more rapidly, reducing cost. Okay? And so we can install a complete marina in less time, equaling less cost to the owner. And then we created a product that we believe will last significantly longer in the marketplace, therefore creating the very best value to the end user customer. Well, let me back up then and inject this. We are actually introducing with this product the very first true green commercial dock product in the world. The variety of applications that it can be installed in is staggering. It's designed to encompass well over 90% of the available marketplace globally. And inside of this product is over 50% recycled materials. Well, before they couldn't, because of the size of the equipment that was available to actually manufacture the product. So we took a look at a conventional 48-foot flatbed trailer. And we said if we build this product 8 foot wide, which is the maximum width, and that's also the width required for the main walkways in most marinas worldwide, and we made these in 24-foot lengths, that 2 stacks of our docks would fill up a complete semi. So we're looking at creating a full volume of shipping capacity, and then it allows us to put down 4 individual modules of our product equaling 100 feet of finished dock, 8 feet by 100 feet in length. Great question. The flotation shell that we have is 8 feet wide by 24 feet long, and then 4 feet wide by 24 feet long. And we built these to nest inside of each other so we can stack a significant amount more flotation on every truckload. So in most cases we will be somewhere between 30% up to 60% less trucking to get our product to the job site. Well, most of the competitors, when they ship all of their products to the job site, it's like an unassembled automobile in a box. And the construction phase is significantly long. And so what we did is design into this product the least amount of assembly in the field, allowing us to shorten our installation times and saving the customer money, and to be able to have a completed dock in a shorter window of time. Well, first of all, we were a little bit ahead of the curve, but we took that upon ourselves, and I believe that was the intent for President Obama, to challenge businessmen to quit thinking about something and turn that into action. And there is a huge resource of talent in American businessmen, and we should take that upon ourselves to create and design and bring to market and patent North American products in this economy for a global market. One of the biggest challenges was the main access, the airport, was completely demolished. The landing strip and so forth. If we would have had our product available at that time, we could have quickly set up temporary moorage to bring boats in and offload supplies and materials, even if it was not going to be installed there permanently. I did. I approached, I believe, a little over 100 companies and individuals about partnering with me in the concept and idea. The biggest challenge was the economic climate we were in. Everyone was trying to figure out how to downsize, how to cut losses, and very few people were focused on invention, creation, and expansion. Well, first of all, I don't want to pat myself on the back too much, because I had no choice. I couldn't afford to give up. It's kind of like, how long do you try to teach a baby to walk? Well, you do it until. And that was my attitude, that I would continue knocking on doors until I got the agreement and the partners that I was looking for. That's where it all began. We began to assemble a literal think tank of the top talent across multiple industries. And we pulled in the very best people from patent applications to design to rotational molding equipment to consultants in that industry to material suppliers, both virgin and recycled resins, to fabricators of these parts that had never been built to this size and dimension before. And we went into intense product testing, modeled some test parts, sent them off to a school of industry and had expansion and contraction testing results, all before we ever built the first mold to build the first product. Well, it's taken us 2 years to get to this point, and just this week we ran some production parts, some of the components that will make up completed modules. So we are right at the door of launching our new product line. Yes, absolutely. The very next step we need, and we're in the process of reaching out for these people right now, is we need dealers to represent our products to both residential customers globally and also to commercial marinas, both in the U.S., Canada, the Caribbean, South America, the Pacific Rim, the European markets. Since we're a global product built in North America, our plan is to develop a complete sales channel network second to none globally, taking our concept, our products, our message to the end user customer. Well, a lot of the dock builders out there are more of a mom and pop, build it themselves, but people that are carrying a product line and taking it to the customers now have an excellent option. And this particular product has so many selling points, the longevity of it, the aesthetic beauty of it when it's installed, the customers that have already seen the product through its development stages are extremely excited about our product coming to market and being installed. Best ways to go to the website, WaveMasterDocks.com, and they can feel free to call me, Larry Moody. I'm the president and managing partner of the company, and my partners are excited about the new dealers that we're going to be putting together. We're also looking for sales channel partners that aren't necessarily just a dealer, but we work with on a referral basis. People in the marine industry, but maybe not equipped to be in the dock industry, but yet have a pulse on the local market about available opportunities. If you're involved directly or indirectly in the marine industry, I'd like to talk to you. We're looking for a few great dealers to represent our product line to residential and commercial marina customers, both domestically and internationally. And rather than just have one particular type of dealer, we have an entire assortment of opportunities. If we have someone that gives us a simple referral, never touches our product, we ship directly to the job site. We will engineer, we will provide the proposals, the pricing to the customer, and offer a commission protection to an individual dealer of this type, all the way to a stocking dealer with feet on the street, investing in marketing, investing in inventory. We have unique relationships available for them. We have relationships available with commercial realtors who are listing marinas. We have relationships with people in the marine construction as opportunities. They see all the docks that are damaged and fully understand where the opportunities are. So we're looking to connect with market intelligence in specific areas, and I want to talk to you. So feel free to call Larry Moody, president of WaveMaster Docks, directly, and I'm looking forward to hearing your phone call and talking about how you and WaveMaster Docks can partner together.
Sitting in the morning sun, I'll be sitting when the evening's done.